Now I'm gonna draw the section and the plan of the model. And first of all, just import the photos as reference and copy and paste the grid from the earlier drawing. So I'm just gonna draw the height of the model, and I'm assuming that that's like 2 inches tall, and connect the line to the ground and connect to the end. And the little cutout, I'm just gonna extend it to the grid line. And also for the circle, on a section you can see the whole thing of the circle. So the height of the circle is 1 to 3/8 inch, and that's it. And then I'm gonna create different layers for the thickness of the section. And as always, the lines that are closest to us should be the thickest, and others farther than the first line, and they should be thinner than the closest lines. And I'm just gonna change the layer to the closest line, which is the blue ones, and the circle and the cutout should be the second thickest, but yeah. Now we finish the relocation of the layers and then go to layout 2 and rename it as section. Copy and paste the text and change it to section. Change the scale to 1:1, but we can see that the red frame is blocking the wheel, so select the red frame. Right click, go to properties and change the size of it. And change the scale to 1:1 and maximize the viewport again. And now you can move around with the pen. Now I'm gonna draw the top view of the model. And first of all, just copy and paste the grid. And delete the lines that I don't need. And as we can see from the top of the model, the left side is hidden, so we don't draw that, but the score line should be there. And also I'm just gonna draw those easy lines that you can see on the reference photo. It's pretty much the same thing as the first drawing, which is the plan drawing. And on here, so that 90 degrees plus 15 is 105 degrees, and that's also another kind of 15 degrees in just in different situations. Now that I have finished drawing all the lines, and then just trim those extra lines that I don't need, such as the grid lines inside the cut area and also the colored area. And now I'm just gonna relocate the layers of the lines at the same thing as the two drawings earlier. The lines that closest to us should be the thickest ones, and the ones that are not, like they are, if they are at the bottom of it, they should be the lightest. And if you have more than 3 or 4 line times, then just go to plot again and add another color and another thickness of the lines or line weight or line type that you want, then apply them to the lines. And also don't forget to hatch the colored area. that I forgot, but you should not.